If you're tired of overcomplicating basic motor control, this one's for you. Let's talk about the Phoenix Contact Speed Starter. It's a compact, easy-to-use motor starter that really fills that sweet spot between a contactor and a full-blown VFD. The Speed Starter is designed for simple motor control applications where you want some speed control, but without all the complexity and cost of a variable frequency drive. You get adjustable speeds, ramp up, ramp down profiles, and integrated safety functions, all in a unit that takes just minutes to configure. Setup is tool-free and intuitive. Rotary selector switches and a keypad on the front let you select direction, speed settings, and even braking behavior. No software or programming cables needed. It supports both single and three-phase supply power for applications up to 2 horsepower. Need safe torque off or STO? Don't worry, it's built in. You can also add push buttons or selector switches for basic control, making it ideal for conveyors, fans, and pumps. And the diagnostics are simple. With LED indicators and clear status feedback, you know immediately what that drive is doing. No digging through parameters or wondering if something's misconfigured. It's also UL listed, supports motor overload protection, and has integrated thermal monitoring. This means fewer devices and wires inside your panel, making it perfect for OEMs who want fast commissioning and lower panel complexity. We see speed starters used everywhere, from packaging lines and indexing conveyors to HVAC pumps and agitators. Compared to contactors, you get soft starts, ramp control, and directional switching without any mechanical wear. Compared to VFDs, you get massive time savings in setup with a lower total install cost. The Phoenix Contact Speed Starter saves space in crowded enclosures and eliminates the need for extra control gear. Less hardware, less heat, less hassle. So if you're looking to simplify your motor control without sacrificing functionality or safety, the Speed Starter might be your new favorite tool. Reach out to NEFF at neffautomation.com and our team of automation professionals to see how we can help you on your next project. Thanks for watching.